Hi, I am Rini. Thanks for watching Rini's creation. As we all know, Valentine week is going on, so I decided to make something special. Today I will teach you how to make romantic and cute wallpapers. To make a wallpaper, first I started with a full HD size large page. Now step 1 is making the sky and the stars. I will show you how to make the Milky Way like effect. First color the background with deep blue color. Then go to brush section and select the watercolor bleed brush. Then take a light blue shade and start drawing like this. Add dark colors to give definition. Then take a smudge tool and blend the colors together. Add light colors as well and smudge it all together. Once you finish, then you take the star shaped brush and add stars all over the background, and don't forget to add shooting stars. Then add buildings and colorful dots and blend them using glacier blur. In my previous video, I have shown how it works. Off the all other layers and add a new layer and start drawing in it. Draw the figures in it and add a dark color over it. In a new layer, and lower the opacity of the layer. Add another new layer and clip it. Take an airbrush and take light yellow color and add highlights. Take orange color and make the light effect to give it a definition. Once the characters are ready, on the opacity of other layers, give shadows to the figures and add light orange color using airbrush to give a light effect. Now the wallpaper is ready. Don't forget to save that. Similarly, make different wallpapers as well using this technique. I have shown my another idea. Now you know how to make this kind of wallpapers. Make your own wallpaper and show your creativity. Thanks for watching my videos. For other digital drawing tutorials, please visit to my channel and like and share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.